Hello everyone. I would like you to introduce you myself. My name is Christian Marvel S. Magsumbal. I am 19 years old and I live in Binondo, Manila. And I am someone who loves to stay busy with a mix of activities that keep me energized. I'm all about playing basketball, going to the gym, and playing video games. But I also have creative side. I'm passionate about cooking or bartending. Experimenting with new recipes is one of my favorite ways to unwind, and I enjoy singing when I'm in the mood. Besides that, I'm really into watching movies and I'm always curious about the latest trends in the business. My ultimate goal is to become a chef or a bartender, and I dream of opening my own restaurant one day. I'm excited about the idea of blending my love for food with entrepreneurship, building a business that's not just successful but also something I truly enjoy. That's all.